Good morning from Tokyo. Today we are flying to LAX via Haneda on premium economy. So we didn't get business class this time. The upgrade wasn't available. So I got premium economy. But we got to catch the train for about an hour, check in, and then I'll tell you a little bit more about how premium economy works. See you soon. Alright, I got my ticket to Hamaguchi. It's my first one. Oh, train has arrived. It was 180 yen, so like less than $2. But I gotta go. Well, I didn't expect things to be so busy this morning, so if you're going to be using the transit system, give yourself a little bit extra time. Alright, what you're going to want to do is follow your signs for the monorail Hamamatsu. Oh, Tokyo Monorail Fair. Here we go. I gotta buy a ticket real quick. Alright, so from Hamamatsu Station to Haneda Airport, it's only 500 yen, so it's gonna be $3. Easy peasy. Man, it was super busy on that first train. Hopefully the monorail is not as busy. They were literally pushing, people was leaning back, and it was like a sardine can. Everybody was just pushing, and you were just so tight. It's cold outside, but I got a sweatshirt and a hat, and so I was sweating inside the darn train. So if you're trying to go to the airport in the morning time, just give yourself a little extra room, because man, everybody uses the transit system in the morning to get to work. So whew. Uh-oh, hopefully this next one ain't too bad either. Looks like a decent little train. What time is it? It's almost 9. Okay, we're doing good. So maybe get myself a little drink from the drink machine over here. Look at it. They got these everywhere in Japan. I just love it. So when you're priority premium economy, you get to go to the fast line. There's main customer assistance over there. You check in over there. Otherwise, you'd have to go through that line back there. So for a couple hundred extra bucks, you get to do a bunch more. It's worth it. Alrighty, so this is going to be your premium economy. It's not a full laydown, but it's pretty good. That's my seat right over there, and then this is what you get when you get back into the economy seats. So premium economy, significantly better. So you get a partial lay down. Sometimes they have a foot. Okay, you got to use the footrest right there. Alrighty, so it's not the business class we're used to, but we do get a goodie bag. So let's see what we got. Some earphones, blanket, pillow. One thing that I don't see is slippers, so we might have to find some slippers. Looks like a cosmetic toiletry bag. I bet you we got some, oh, okay. So we don't get slippers, but we get some socks and some body lotion. Okay. Our sleepy mask and some socks. Okay, there we go. Toothbrush kit, a right hand pencil, lip balm. All right, we can deal with it.